You're me. I never wanted to hurt someone. It's you. All you. Inside my head.
I'm not becoming a kid. I know what y'all are saying. Been a minute. I got no excuses this time. Action Cam Supernatural Case. That is the game we are going to be playing in today's video. I seen this game on the PlayStation Marketplace and I was like, yo, this game actually looks really good. It looks like a game that I could just record. I was really hoping Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 would come out on the PlayStation because I don't got a PC. And it never came out on the PlayStation. So it's like I can't really record it without it being on the PlayStation. Like, bro, what's up? What's up? Like, come on, bro, put that shit on the fucking PlayStation, please. Like I said, we're here with Action Cam Supernatural Case until we can get Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. All I know about this game, though, it's like a body cam style game, and you get a gun. So when I get a Glock, bro, just know it's raps. Just know. Alright, enough yapping. Before we get into today's video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can hit it. Let's hop right into today's video.
So, this is the place?
Voice acting.
Looks like a total nightmare. They said a girl was seen here. Why the hell would anyone come to a place like this? Alright, let's check it out. Can't be worse than it looks, alright?
Why does it sound like that, the audio?
God, it's so dark in here. Should have brought more batteries.
In here? We're not in a place. We're outside. Call to school. Got a call about missing girl. No lights, no signs of life, but I need to check it out. You actually don't. There's no sign of life. You don't need to check it out. That shit made no sense. But hey, look. James Brownstone High School.
Huh?
I feel like every high school just starts with James for some reason. James, Jim. Like, what's up with that?
All right, let's search the area.
Damn. Yo, what's this? A Glock magazine? Where my Glock at? Yo, this is trippy. I found out how to run. You can jump. Yo, that clock is loud. Alright. Ooh, key for teacher.
Found it. Now let's head back and try to open that door.
Oh. What the hell was that? We're gonna immerse. My headphones are completely turned up. So just know, I might be deaf after this session. No signs of life on it. It looks like somebody's been in here spray painting and shit. Another Glock magazine, yes sir. Another one? Oh, yeah, bro, something's gonna happen. Just know. Another one. We're collecting these Glock magazines like they're nothing. I'm telling you, bro, something's gonna happen. Okay,
what the fuck? Someone...
What the hell was that? The sound effect didn't even finish. And I paused the game already, bro.
It's in there.
This guy sounds so casual when he says shit. Docker. Or does that say poker? No, that says Docker. Yeah, I know.
Hey, is anyone here?
What? Why would you ask, bro? Just leave it. Diary. Class 1 to 2.
Looks like she spent a lot of time in the library.
That's cool.
What the?
Okay. We just started the video. Can I collect this Glock magazine, please, bro? And can you whip out the Glock by any chance? Can you whip out the Glock? I'm pressing buttons, but I can't see nothing. That ass. Yo ass is dead, cuzzo. Fuck out of here, cuz. What did bro think was gonna happen? You give me a gun, you think I'm just gonna let shit slide? Hell no. I'm built different. How do we reload? Bro, this whole but this body cam footage is crazy too. I'm leaving, bro. What makes you think? Oh hell no. I just keep pausing the game, bro. This shit is really scary. And somebody's watching this video calling me a pussy, bro. I already know it. And y'all are not sitting here playing this game. Y'all just not playing this game, so y'all don't know what it's like. I'm suffering, y'all are not. Hey, so whoever closed that door, you want to come out?
Don't look back, just keep moving.
Yeah, you want to open any louder? Hey, pull up on me. Pull up on me, bro. Yeah, pussy bitch. Lay your ass down. Get hit with that Glock skis. You a bitch. Got another Glock magazine. Alright. So, I don't know what the objective is of the game. Just find out something about a missing girl. If she's even real, bro. Evidence found. What the hell? Call to school, search for clues, teacher's lounge. Oh wait, okay, the library. That's our next thing. So, we have to try and find a library. And I hear another one of those creatures. Hey, so if you want to peek out the corner, stop breathing. Y'all, I'm scared. Even though I can hear these motherfuckers a mile away, bro. Oh, shit. Motherfucker right there. You a bitch. I just want to let you know that on some fucking shit. Yeah, sit your ass down, boy. You a pussy scary boy. Fucking ugly ass motherfucker. Get some bitches. Stop murdering people. What type of school is this, though, that has, like, some fucking demons just walking around? And Glock magazines laying around, too. Oh, okay. See, I'm not falling for those jumps anymore. I got that shit out of me. Okay, the library. Is this the library? I don't hear anybody here. Glock magazine, yes sir. Always gonna take one of those. I hear you, bro. I hear you, bro. You wanna pull up?
What's this? Doesn't look like just a normal box.
What box are you talking about? I'm focused on the fucking breathing, bro. Okay, I need to do this quick. Saw. Boom. What is all like such? 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 What is all like such?
Come, let's see what's inside. Wait, looks like the photo was made in the school. It's looked like basement.
Bro, I got one bullet. How the hell am I supposed to do this? I got one bullet. I had to look up a tutorial on YouTube how to do that chest, bro. I'm not beating this game. It's not fair, bro. It's not fucking fair. You bitch. You won't leave me alone. Again. Okay. So what do we have? The basement. A photo and basement key I need. Okay, so now we gotta get to the basement. What was that? I'm stuck. No. Yeah, I know he's in the gym, bro. Same, bro. Yeah. It takes damn near a whole mag to kill them. How the hell is that fair, bro? Okay. This looks like it's basement worthy. And now the motherfucker's coming for me. You don't have to come at all. Okay.
Fuck.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Motherfucker, cutscene just popped out of nowhere.
Gotta get out of here. Now.
Why does he sound like that, bro? He sounds like not concerned whatsoever. God, I gotta get out of here. Nah. I'm gonna die in here, bro. 147. Sir.
No more basements ever.
Yeah. You should have not went into the basement the first place. Common sense. I mean, it's an abandoned school. And it's full of fucking demons, bro. Principal's office. Boy, principal, where you at, mate? This looks like a exit. The fuck is over here? Yo. Glock mag, though? Yes, sir. Alright. That's cool and all. But we gotta go to a principal's office. I see him walking and shit. I see you, my guy. Yo ass. Yo ass down. Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down. Alright, twin. Stay down, twin. Is this principal's office? This looks like a principal's office. It gots to be. Cause bro, I don't got. Whoa, Glock magazine.
Ah, back into the damn vents again.
Ty shit. Hey. Great.
A safe. Of course it wouldn't be easy. The code? The sum of classroom numbers? Are you kidding me?
Alright, y'all. So apparently the code is 361. Hey. Boom. Okay. Don't know what this is. It is information. Missing persons.
What? She is dead? That's me? No way. This is all my fault. I killed her.
Huh?
No more running. This ends here. You're me. I never wanted to hurt someone. It's you. All you inside my head.
What the fuck? I am so confused, bruh. You refuse to become a killer. Instead, you choose peace at the cost of your own life. You accepted what you became. Killing is now your nature. There's no turning. Project the darkness.
I can't do it.
I'm not becoming a killer. Oh. I don't think I can show that.
So, this is the place? Looks like a total nightmare. They said a girl was seen here.
Okay. All right.
Why the hell would anyone come to a place like this?
Alright, y'all.
Alright, let's check it out. Can't be worse than it looks, alright?
Alright. We're gonna play through and we're gonna get that other ending, okay?
God, it's so dark in here. Should have brought more batteries.
Don't worry, I'm gonna fast forward.
Huh?
You
That's
made it back.
me? No way. This is all my fault. I killed her. No more running. This ends here. You're me. I never wanted to hurt someone. It's you. All you inside my head.
So that's how bro looks. Alright, so the first time we chose, you refused to become a killer. Instead, you chose peace, the cost of your own life. In game, obviously, I'm not showing that footage. This time, we're going to be choosing circle, which is you accepted what you become. Killing is now your nature, and there's no turning back. So we're gonna become a killer. So let's get this shit. Oh. Okay. Well, that's it. That's the end of the game, y'all. Your boy is a killer. Your boy is a murderer. Your boy murdered. As in your boy in game, you know what I'm saying? I don't do that stuff in real life. But that was Action Cam Supernatural Case. Pretty scary game. Only because bro was chasing me the entire time. Bro was just mad and annoying for what? I ain't even doing nothing to you, bro. I don't know you. You're just a demon in my head and shit. I don't know. But hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Probably gonna record another video because I feel like I'm in that mood. I don't know. We'll see. Catch you guys in the next video.